Namaste. How are you? Good, good. We will start today something which is going to be very important to you as students and as performing artists and as teachers in future. So the whole area of creativity that comes in dance for why you want to go out somewhere? No, you were looking out like that. Concentration. Or you started creating?
No, creating.
So I think whenever you are in a class, you must be totally concentrated because these class times will not come back ever. So what I was saying that today you have to start understanding the process of creativity. And in dance, this process of creativity, nritya niveshan, invention, so many words people have coined, basically means choreography or creating. In classical dance, Bharatanatyam is a solo format. So, what is the creativity in the solo format? What is the creativity in the group format? How and when group comes? Because Bharatanatyam is solo. So we'll talk as gradually we'll talk about it. But in solo Bharatanatyam format, at the master's level, you have to start working and creating in what are the two main aspects of Bharatanatyam? Nritya and Nritya, very right. So, the choreography in Nritya, there are many items which are combined Nritya and Nritya. Which are they, Dimple?
Which are those? Varnam,
Yes.
Shabdam, Padam, Kirtanam.
Padam is
Kirtanam.
Varnam, Shabdam, Padam. These are the items that is combined Nritya and Nritya. So let's get into understanding what is Nritya choreography. Divya, don't run away in a second here, there. Be here. You should not be bothered. Once we do namaskar, that means that with your mind and with your heart and with your whole body, you are here and now. Then you can go out. You meet your boyfriend? No. Okay, so Nritya choreography. Nritya is, we know the basic definitions, we've studied Nritya, we've done the items of Nritya, so I'm not getting into that. Only thing, how do you choreograph? So let's take, like we do, take Shabdam. Shabdam is very basic in Bharatanatyam Margam, and that's where the first Nritya, Abhinay,
Item which gets into
Nritya and Abhinay is introduced. So Nritya, you have the Mukhaja, Sharira, Hasta, all Abhinay coming together. Angika,
and Satvika, of course, because then you that is there.
In choreography, and when we will take Shabdam, the easiest. So now, when you are teaching in the second year Shabdam, how do you teach? How do you start?
It's like first giving them the basic meaning of what is a Shabdam. And then because it is the first time that they will be doing Abhinay item, so see, Nritya it is fine, but when you have to go into Abhinay, they need to concentrate very much. And then they have to get to know the meaning of that particular Shabdam that I am going to teach them. because they need to get into that character as we talked earlier. So it is important. And knowing the story, the word to word meaning, the overall meaning, shabdarth, vakyarth, padarth. So that is important. And I think these are the basic things that we first.
So when you start with a shabdam, of course the song is given word to word meaning, but word to word meaning is not enough. The storyline meaning is not enough. If you say Ayar Sheriyar Arindidamalu, the one who is born in the Ayar Kula, and but whose parents are not known. Okay, you've given this one word meaning, you've given the line to meaning. So, and that one who is mesmerizing, whose flute is mesmerizing. But the students have to know the stories of Krishna. He has to know who was his father, who was his mother, if there was mother or not, Yashoda or Devaki. All these stories have to know. Then only you get inside what it is. So now this is what you've learned in your undergraduate program, Shabdam. Now you want to create a Shabdam. So you want to create a Shabdam. This is what has been taught to you. Now, the most times the language that was used in Bharatanatyam, even today, it is Tamil, Telugu, if it is, or sometimes Sanskrit, but mainly Tamil, Telugu. Now, so many things are cultural, so many things are regional. So, you may want to say, no, why can't I do a Shabdam in Gujarati or in Hindi? Well, yes, you can do. There is no limitation of the language. If it can be Tamil words, it can be Gujarati words. But what is the thing that you cannot? This you can take. What we call liberty or experimentation or creativity, anything. But what you must keep in mind when doing this, आपको एकदम क्या ख्याल रखना है when you want to do or create शब्द.
Structure change नहीं होना चाहिए.
Structure change. So what do you mean by structure? In a shabdam, what is the structure of the shabdam?
Like starting with ta, ya.
So a small nritya.
हाँ.
Hmm?
Then abhinay, again nritya, abhinay.
हाँ, structure नहीं change होना है.
हाँ.
ठीक है. One, then what is the tala of shabdam? Shabdam. What is the basic tal? Normal tal in shabdam. Any shabdam.
It's Mishra Chapu.
Mishra Chapu tal. Can you change that? If you want to call it shabdam, no.
Because mostly we do it in
Mishra
we
Chapu.
and we do
It is only in Mishra Chapu.
So it is like
The practice of doing shabdam
shabdam
is
is
only in
Mishra
Mishra Chapu. I have yet to come across a shabdam which is in Adi Tal or something. Alright. Then what does shabdam have its basic quality or meaning? Any shabdam, what does it say? It is.
Praise,
yes, it is a praise to a
It's a praise,
god
Praise
or a
to
and
God or a
praise
king.
of the god or the
Or
king,
king or-
and it is called Yashogiti.
Yasha.
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 You sing about the Yasha
Yasha.
Kirti
Kirti.
of the god or the king. So keeping one, then two, so two. Now what is the third one? What is the raga of a shabdam?
It's basically Rag Malike.
Rag Malike.
Either it is Kambodi or
Kambodi.
Ragmalide,
Ragmalide.
but base is Kambodi.
Kambodi.
So you try to keep that.
that,
Or
in-
suppose now you want to do it in Hindi or in Gujarati or in Marathi, then you may opt for a North Indian
North
rag,
Indian rag, which is like
which similar to Kambodi.
Similar to Kambodi, exactly.
So If I sing a song, you tell me it can be done Shabdam or not. Kanudo kamana garo re o beniya to kanudo kamana garo re o beniya to rangera to madhama to vasaladi ma गीत गातो नयनेषु करेवातो रे ओ बेनियातो कानूनो कमण गारो रे.
It is in Mishra Chapu.
Mishra
You can
Chapu.
definitely do it.
Yeah, and it is Kafi, which is Kambodhi, similar to it, and it is in praise
Praise.
or about Krishna and his
So
beauty.
this is a good thing that when you create something, when you choreograph on your own, these things, it is very important for an item. You go in the traditional items when you are talking about
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4 things.
Absolutely.
So
We cannot take, there are areas in which you can take liberty,
yes.
but there are areas in which you cannot
Cannot
take
and should
liberty.
not, like exactly.
I mean, if you want to call it Shabdam, otherwise you can say this is an item in Bharatanatyam without giving any name.
Any name to it. Not even-
Without giving any
don't
name,
you give- yeah, you don't
fine.
have to give
You
any
may use the Bharatanatyam technique,
This is an item
and
into
fine.
Bharatanatyam,
But
that's-
if you want to call it a Shabdam, then you have to put it into. I mean, simple example is like Natya Shastra, Bharata gives of food for the whole rasa. Same thing. If you want to call it a rotli or a chapati, then it has to have the wheat flour. It has to be rolled round and thin, and it is roasted.
Roasted.
Now, if you make thick ones, then also it is not chapati or roti.
It will change.
And it's chapati, but maybe once you want to call it a Gujarati roti, then you have to have this. So these are very careful in future. I mean, you have to keep the dance style living,
Yeah.
because it's one of the best dance styles that has been created by whoever. We are lucky that we had this, but at the same time you want to take it further.
Yes.
Then how do you do that? You want to make it your own. Higher chariot, you have told the meaning and everything, but still there is a difference.
When you
That
dance
dance.
and
Now
when
let's say the word Kamanagaro.
Come.
What do you understand by Kamanagaro? Kanudo.
Kanudo.
I mean, when you call Krishna
Krishna.
and when you call Kanudo,
Kanudo.
what is the difference? It's the same person that you're
Same,
calling.
But
But the Kanudo means
No, doesn't mean baby.
not the baby.
Kanudo doesn't mean baby. No.
He's very close to you. Then he's,
Close. You're very
comfort,
comfortable.
yes. When you say Kanudo,
Very
it's a
close friend.
friend.
Hmm.
Exactly.
Comfort zone. Krishna can be a Gita ka Krishna, it can be any Krishna. But Kanudo, I mean, when you speak,
Speak that
also
itself,
it
is
has a closeness. So, and Kamanagaro. What is Kamanagaro? Kaman kare. Gujarati we say somebody kaman kare che. So someone who mesmerizes you, who sort of you can't get away from that person. You want to be around him all the time with all kinds of excuses. You come and
Yes. So it's like
he's like that. He's that captivating personality. Kaman. Huh? It's not love. Love is part of
It's
it.
part of that, but then mainly it is to captivate you. You know,
There are many personalities. We are so catchy.
अपनी तरफ
खींचना,
attraction.
खींचना,
Attraction.
खींचता है, कामण करता है. It also points to kind of a jadoo.
Yeah.
You know, it's kind of
Mesmerizing.
mesmerizing.
It is like
Yeah, yeah.
this.
And what is it that Range Rato? Now here it does. Here the poet doesn't say Kalu. Rato.
is a
Deep,
night man that
Shyam.
deep black, red, maroon, black, like that. It's not blue black,
Blue
but red black kind of. Madamato.
मस्त
मस्त मस्त एंड नयनेशु करे वातो रे नयनेशु करे वातो रे so his eyes speak. Any one of you want to just try on your own one, because that's how you will come up to choreography. Just try Kanudo Kamana Garo Re O Beniato. Fix up in your mind first the gestures. Now you understand the meaning, you know who is Krishna, and Kanudo is, in all your songs and everywhere you have Kanudo, dear, very near and dear. So not difficult, and you've been mesmerized by so many times. So try to just get your own experience in your dance. Don't worry about the feet. The feet part we can add as and how, but you must be able to get the bhava. And when you get the bhava and you have your gestures and everything, then the feet, as she said, feet must match the mood. The movements must match the mood. You can't move or just stand Kanudo Kamana Garo Re. No. You have to move the way it will show his Kama. But that
So then there are steps,
later
but then at least
steps.
at first point level.
This is where the design comes. That each and every part of the song is designed minutely.
So you have to keep all these things.
Come on, let's try. Quick. Okay. So Dimple, please try at least once. You don't worry about the feet and all that, but try to get the maximum feeling that you have. Kanudo kamana garo re o beniato Kanudo kamana garo re o beniato Kanudo. Can you try and repeat it twice? As in the class you do twice. And if you make different faces in between, pulling and pushing, and even if you make a mistake, only you know that you made a mistake. So try not to get all those expressions. Beniato Kanudo kamana garo re o beniato. You can add feet. No kamana garo re o beniato Kanudo kamana garo re o beniato. You can try. Kanudo kamana garo re o beniato Kanudo kamana garo re o beniato. Divya, you changed Kaman Garo. First you did this Kaman Garo and second time you did this Kaman Garo. So what is your see, whenever this whole exercise is for designing the dance. So whatever you do, you must stick to it. Once, the next time, second time, because for your own self, for teaching or for the audience. 1, 2 and 3 levels, you must stick to this. Okay, then something important that comes is Kanudo Kamangaro re o beni atu. That means Kanudo, Krishna, Kamangaro, mesmerizing. O friend, this Kanudo. Okay. So this is a conversation between who?
It is Sakhi and
Nayika.
Nayika and Sakhi.
Sakhi,
All
talking,
right.
two friends.
All right. So when you watch your now Dimple, you watch her and let's see what she's doing. Okay, and you tell me what she's doing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Kanudo kamanaga re o beniyato kanudo. Okay, now where is she and where is her Sakhi? Could you make out what it is? वो कहाँ है, उसकी मित्र कहाँ है जिनसे वो बात कर रही है? आप समझ सके उनकी एक्सप्रेशन से?
सखी यहाँ पे बताइए, लेकिन सखी पहले यहाँ पे
नहीं, यहाँ पे कहाँ भी सखी तो भाग सकती है, इसमें कोई चिंता नहीं है। पर आपको पता कानूडो, व्हेन यू से द फर्स्ट वन कानूडो, सो यू आर एड्रेसिंग टू हु? Sakhi, but you are showing Kanudo. So you are showing the expressions of Kanudo. Yes?
Yes.
But you are showing it to Sakhi. So two things must come out clearly.
It is, I think it is not every time important that when you are talking, it is all the time you look into that particular person's eyes and go on talking. So when she's dancing, when she's saying, I think that is what you were trying to say. When she's doing Kanudo, Kamanagaro, she's talking to the Sakhi, but then she's establishing with Kanudo.
There are that's where your first stance. Tataya tai tam tataya tai tat darangu tagadadinglatom ta. So you did your nritta part. Ta tam kanu. Now it begins. So where will be your first glance?
audience.
Look, first don't think of audience.
Audience.
Your dance is not audience. Your dance is for yourself, first communication, then for others. So audience, what is audience? What is audience? Here we are talking Krishna, we are talking Sakhi, and we are talking yourself. Now where is the audience? So where is the audience?
We established Kanudo first.
Kanudo, but how Kanudo?
Krishna.
Whichever if you are showing this Kanudo, so you finish your ta here. Then now from there, you are looking straight because there is neutral glance. And then from here, from here you show this people or this Sakhi here. The Sakhi is here first. So you show Kanudo. So you show her that this is what is Kanudo.
You cannot, she is very much right, because you are like cutting yourself off from someone who is standing and you are talking to someone. Here what she says, Parul madam, that वो नहीं दिख रहा था.
Continuity.
You are talking to someone, that person has not gone away. Your friend, she is there and you are talking to her. But again, other part is every time you don't have to go on looking in her eyes and going on talking. But then people should know that you are talking to your Sakhi.
Our teachers, when they were teaching, and I think as when we are teaching, we tell you that there is always one point is with you.
Yeah.
The point is your focus. wherever you take your focus, the point moves, and the point moves as you move. So you are always communicating. Most of the time, because maybe in the teaching area, we are teaching to dance for audience. We forget that, and even then, the audience is all around. So you can't be talking all the time here. But I say to my Sakhi, hey friend, look, Kanudo Kamanaga Rore.
So you see, again, she's
Oh Beniya.
connecting to her.
You have to connect to the friend.
Connecting is very important here. It gets very important. Otherwise, you lose that.
Which place you are Kanudo, which place you are you, and which place you are Sakhi, and all are connected all the time.
And with that does not mean that you are stable at one place.
No,
are
no, no.
moving.
You
but
are
still,
moving.
What she said, that focus, when you move, it will move with you. So your Sakhi is also there with you, your Kanudo is also there with you in your mind.
If you remember the shloka of Abhinay Darpana, Yato Hastas Tato Drashti, Yato Drashti Tato Manaha, Yato Manaha Tato Rasaha. So, wherever the eyes, hands go, the eyes follow. But now, it doesn't mean
It is
like this. It means this. The as and how your reach is of your thought, the eyes would. That's why they say that you can show an 1,000 years from just from here to there.
And another very opposite example I can give, someone like Yashoda.
Yeah, child.
Child or
It's
so
here.
it is stable
The
here.
clothes.
Your eyes are here only.
Nimilite has so much of connotations. You know, the where your gaze goes, Nimilite, all the way. So these all nuances must come when you are doing each and every word. And that's where the practice comes into, that more and more and more practice. And master's degree means you are crazy.
Yes.
Means you have lost your mind and you are into dance.
You have reached that. Because once you have finished your
Without that, there is nothing. And yes, dance may not earn you any money. But Natya Shastra says the kind of pleasure, the sublimity, the bliss. So you can go out, you can earn your money through your computers, and you come and dance. Dance. So now let's see again next time. Kanudo Kamanaga. Come on.
some
Now keep all these things in mind. It's not like that it will come, but try. Now let's say another Kanudo. No, this Kanudo. This is one language that you know very well. So you should be able to dance like this. And now move. Kanudo Kama Arore O Beniyato Kanudo Kamana Garore O Beniyato Kanudo. Dimple, you have to recite your Abhinay Darpan daily. It is part of your riyaz. You cannot say, now I am graduate, so Abhinay Darpan is not part of the course. No, it is part of the course. You must daily morning. First thing in the morning, you have to start with Abhinay Darpan and prayers. Then go ahead. And it's like on your fingertips. You can never forget. Try. Nudo Kamanaga Rore. Why your hands are like this? What is Alapadma? Abhinay, Abhinay getting into.
I think she's giving us another thing to discuss. Very important.
Yes, that as you go into the ecstasy of mood, the deepest level of feeling, and then you say, oh. It's fine. But here must come. Hastas must
We
be
have to
clear.
conscious about your, yes.
There are like there is Kalanidhi Mami, and there are many others who also believe that hastas at a point in Abhinay,
Maybe you are-
it's not so important. You can
the expressions are,
expressions
more important.
are more important. But along with expressions, if you can do your hastas, nothing like that. And there are people, I mean, we just recently saw Vaichanti Malabali, and amazingly at the age of 84, she is doing her Abhinaya with full, total clarity. So there are points and views, but I would like that you do totally. No shortcuts. Anudo kamanagaru re o beniyato anudo kamanagaru re o beniyato. O Benny still don't know where. O Benny
And then every time for O Benny, you did not show
Show Benny.
the
Different
First
way.
you will establish that she's
O
your-
Benny is Sakhi, na?
Sakhi.
You show
So
Sakhi
you
in
just
many.
show the side only just with
Sakhi in many ways.
O Benny.
And Kamanagaro is.
No.
The one who is mesmerized you. So it can
Many,
be,
I mean,
yes.
many other gestures can be done. Anyway, so you have followed to an extent the how do you begin choreographing? Just begin the simplest of a Bharatanatyam item, and we can go next to the Varnam. That Varnam is one of the item, not one of the item in
which
a
is really
Bharatanatyam
testing you.
repertoire and all its colors. So now if you have to choreograph Varnam, you have learned 3-4 Varnams by this time in
Yes.
your undergraduate level. So now you want to choreograph yourself, and as you are not Tamil or Telugu people, and maybe your knowledge of the Carnatic music is limited, then you depend on the music provided by that, or you want to venture a little further. There is like people who have done Varnam in Gujarati, in Hindi, some the Nirupanas and in Marathi. So people have ventured, because as and when you are in performance and teaching area, you want to give it to your students something which is easily reachable.
And then it
Because-
is in your own language or maybe near to your language understanding
yeah.
point. I think that is
And
easier for
also
them
half the battle is won when you know the
to
language.
language. Absolutely. That is
So I learnt a Varnam from my guru in Gujarati. That was in Raga Vasanta. Again Krishna. Krishna is very
But then
favorite.
people say that dance itself is a language.
Yeah.
There I would want to just want to know from you, like, still knowing a particular language when you want to dance something.
See, dance is a language of the body,
Yeah.
right? And the body speaks.
Yes. Absolutely.
Till you are dead, the body speaks.
That will speak,
If,
yes.
I saw Merce Cunningham.
Mm.
He sat on the stage, on the chair, and 5 minutes.
Oh, wow.
He just sat.
Doing
Nothing. He didn't do nothing. No music, no nothing. Silence, total silence. But that 5 minutes silence, everyone was shaken. and it communicated so many things, because it doesn't have to be the dancer telling someone, yourself.
Yes.
The Saradaya, as we say, is whatever you gain from whatever is seen. And the silence, when it is seen, when it is felt, it's very shattering. It's difficult to digest. When you look at No and Kabuki, in No especially, from there to coming to the center of the stage,
Maybe they'll take
3 hours, and the slowest the actor can move, the
He's
better
best.
he is.
The better he is, yes, that is.
So non-movement
And that's very difficult. I think that's very, very difficult.
is also meaningful.
We always say in our this padams and all the Kshetragya
Kshetragya.
padams,
Ah.
where you have the very slow,
Slow.
and you have to keep
To
style by
abhin,
style.
to
You have to
keep hold on to the sthai,
Hold it, you know.
hold on to the sthai
For
is
a longer period, it is very difficult.
very tough, very tough. We had this
I think doing it fast is easier rather than doing it
Mani Madhav Chakyar, he was performing, and he did the Vali Vadham, and the Vali is dying. So he's sitting here, and 80 minutes he created this death seed,
Oh.
and every 80 minutes, and everyone in the audience was like shattered, because it's impossible to watch death. You know,
Yes,
we don't watch death actually.
Yeah.
And here this man is sitting and he's dying and he's dying and he's dying 80 minutes. So it's very difficult. So that's where the whole profoundness of keeping the abhinaya is very important. That's why it is said that don't worry about the gestures and this and that, but try to
keep your
hold on to your, the sai.
But I think, as you said, that only comes with exercise. First, practice, and then concentrating and all. Then only you can achieve that.
Thank you.
Namaste.
Namaste.